Look at that shine. Do you see that shine? There is no oil in my hair, just my leave-ins and aloe vera gel. This is 11 weeks of new growth and it is just so hydrated, moisturized, soft from the aloe vera gel. There aren't any flakes in my hair and I didn't have to use a blender or a strainer. And best of all, this doesn't smell horrible at all. It's basically odorless. Before we start, make sure you've clicked that subscribe button so that you can be notified every Saturday when I upload a video. I have this juicy aloe vera plant that I just picked. I washed it with some soap and water and now I'm drying it off with some paper towel. There are two parts to an aloe vera leaf. There's the aloe vera gel and the aloe vera latex or the aloe vera sap. The aloe vera gel is the clear, odorless part. The aloe vera latex is found under the green part of the leaf. It's that yellow liquid, that yellow sap. It's the bitter part, it's the smelly part. In order for the aloe vera gel not to be smelly, we have to try our best to avoid getting the aloe vera sap into the gel. I'm getting this first bowl here and a knife. Not a knife that's too big nor too sharp because this is going to get really slippery and we don't want any accidents. Now all I'm going to do is just use my knife to peel off the green skin, and I'm doing this lightly because I don't want to dig too deep into the plant and then take up too much gel and basically waste it. So just lightly peel off the skin. Did you know that aloe vera has over 70 active components ranging from vitamins, minerals, and amino acids? Aloe vera has vitamins A, C, E, a host of vitamin Bs such as B1, B2, B3, just to name a few, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, among others. When aloe vera is applied directly to the scalp, these vitamins, minerals, and amino acids are absorbed and therefore help to promote hair growth. A strand of hair has three main layers. The outermost layer is called the cuticle and somewhat resembles a pine cone plant. The cuticle layer is responsible for protecting the hair strand. The cuticle layer can be raised and therefore be opened, or it can lay flat and therefore be closed. Hair has a pH which is somewhat acidic, so the natural pH of hair is around 4.5 to 5.5. In its natural state, the cuticles of the hair strand remain closed. When you wash your hair or your hair becomes wet, it's the tendency for the cuticles to become opened. Fresh aloe vera has a pH of around 4.7, which is quite close to the natural pH of the hair. When applied to the length of the hair, aloe vera therefore helps to close the cuticles of the hair, making the hair strand smooth, therefore helping to prevent breakage and your hair is able to grow longer. Once I'm done peeling the skin off the aloe vera, I'm getting a second bowl. Now to cut the aloe gel into chunks. It's really now that a bigger knife might be useful and to use up the cutting board. It goes by much faster and I plan to do that the next time. Keeping the gel as chunks eliminates the need for a strainer and you still won't have aloe gel flakes in your hair. Next, I'm going to be adding some distilled water to my aloe vera gel. Plain water is just fine. Depending on how thick or how runny you want your aloe vera gel to be, you can adjust the amount of water accordingly. Since I'm going to be spraying my aloe vera gel from a bottle, I prefer if it's a little bit runny. I'm going to leave this for about half an hour for osmosis to do its thing and get all that good stuff out into the water. Beep, 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 beep. Time's up. That went by really fast. Now I'm just going to use my hands to fish out the aloe vera chunks from my water. No straining needed, and because the chunks are big enough, it's pretty easy to get them out. You can also do a little squeezing motion to get out more of the aloe vera gel. Don't mash them up though, because you don't want to end up with aloe flakes in your hair. Now I'm gonna put it in my spray bottle. I'm using a funnel to get it in so that there's not so much of a mess. Once my spray bottle is full, I'm just gonna be storing the excess aloe vera gel and water in a storage container. Then I'm gonna put it in the freezer. To keep my aloe vera in the spray bottle fresh, I also store it in the freezer, and I take it out on wash days when I'm going to wash my hair, and by the time I'm ready for it, it's basically all melted out. That way I don't have to use any preservatives and I can keep it for a really long time. I've been using this every week now for the past 6 weeks or so, and I still have aloe vera left, but I only use it on wash days after I applied my leave-ins. What I like to do is to still apply my spray leave-ins and still use a cream leave-in, but I use the aloe vera gel to seal in that moisture and hydration into my hair. I just love how my hair feels when I use aloe vera gel in it, and I'm so grateful for all the persons who told me to try this out. I just smooth it through. I'm not trying to detangle it or anything. I'm just like smoothing over my cuticles. In other words, just smoothing it over how I want my hair to lay, all the way down to the ends. I generally air dry my hair after I've washed it, and my hair would usually be fully dry in less than an hour. That's not necessarily a good thing, because the quicker your hair dries is the faster your hair loses moisture too. So it's like more often that you'll need to moisturize your hair. Since I've been using the aloe vera gel on my hair takes longer to dry when I'm air drying, but I don't mind because my hair is just so moisturized, so shiny, and it's as if I can feel my cuticles laying flat. Once my hair is fully dry, I just use some oil or serum to detangle my hair, and that's it. My hair stays moisturized for about 2 to even 3 days sometimes, and I don't have to apply any moisturizers in between. If you like this video, be sure to click that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, show me your support by dropping me a comment down below and giving me a thumbs up. I'll see you back here next Saturday. Thanks for watching. Bye!